The wait is finally over. The Google Pixel 10 is here, and it's completely redefining the smartphone experience. Today, I'm revealing the top 8 features that make this the ultimate phone of 2025. And trust me, feature number 7 will blow your mind. Welcome to Gadget Drip. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest tech updates. And without wasting a second, let's dive into the Pixel 10's game-changing features. Pixel has always led the camera game, but the Pixel 10's 50-megapixel AI camera with smart AI scene detection adjusts lighting, colors, and shadows automatically, giving you DSLR quality shots, day or night. With Assistant Plus, you're not just talking to a voice assistant, you're talking to a personal AI companion. It writes your emails, answers calls, and schedules meetings with a single voice command. Forget about outdated software. Pixel 10 guarantees 7 years of Android updates and monthly security patches, keeping your phone fresh and secure until 2032. Pixel 10 features a stunning 6.8-inch AMOLED display with a 1 Hz to 144 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ultra-smooth for videos and battery-efficient for still images. Pixel 10's smart battery AI learns your usage habits to stretch battery life up to 2 days. Plus, 50% charge in just 20 minutes with fast charging. Pixel 10's satellite mode lets you send messages even without a network, a true lifesaver in emergencies. Pixel 10 combines ultrasonic fingerprint scanning with advanced face unlock for lightning-fast and super secure access, even in total darkness. With stereo speakers tuned by Google and AI noise cancellation, Pixel 10 gives you crystal-clear calls, immersive music, and distraction-free video watching anywhere. So that's the top 8 features that make the Google Pixel 10 the most advanced Android phone of 2025. Which one impressed you the most? Drop it in the comments, and if you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss my next tech deep dive.